Well, hello and welcome. If you're just joining me, we are learning one new piece for the first 25 days in December. So we've already learned the song for the 1st of December. Now let's jump to the 2nd of December and let's find out what piece are we going to learn today. Oh, this is so exciting. So the piece we're going to learn today, ooh, Deck the Halls. So this is a favorite for a lot of people. So before we continue, I want to introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. So this is a little bit of a challenge, and this is completely free. It's my holiday gift to you, and what we're doing is we are learning 25 pieces for the 25 days of December, and each day you get to learn a new piece with me. Now, this is simply my gift to you because I want to say thank you for being a member of Move Over Mozart, and I just want to give a little holiday cheer. So before we begin, don't forget to download the free sheet music I have edited and created just for you so you can follow along with me. Now, some of the songs we're going to be learning are maybe some classics, maybe some are familiar, maybe some of them are new to you, but they're easy play piano music, so you can really learn them if you follow along with me. Now, the piece we chose for today was Deck the Halls. Now, this is how we're going to learn this piece. We're going to play our right hand together with me, and then you're going to play your left hand together with me, and then we will put our hands together. Now, at any point in this lesson, if you have a comment or a question, just leave it down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. Now, because we are learning one new piece for the first 25 days of December, don't forget to hit the notification and the little bell because you don't want to miss any of these wonderful pieces that we're going to be learning together. You can also find me over on Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So let's begin. Now, here is Deck the Halls.